This is Hazel. This is her sister, Rosie. Hazel May and Rosie. Down here hanging out with me while I'm doing some videos. So, just wanted to say hi. They wanted to say hi. What are you coughing for? Huh? Oh, we gotta do a video. Yeah. We gotta do a video. Yeah. I'm gonna do an unboxing, and I'm gonna do my July 2020 beauty subscription called The Box by Fashionsta. So if you want to see what's in this, just keep watching. What is in this box? Let's see here. Here's what it looks like inside. And this box is $25 a month. You get 5 or 6 full-size products. Most of it, I think all that I have received personally, has been Indi Brands. So I could be wrong. I mean, I think every now and then they have another brand, you know, name brand brands, if that makes sense. But this is mostly Indi inspired. And they have a card they do give you every month. Tells you what you got and explains it and how much the retail value is. This month we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Yeah, 6. So it's a really good deal. I mean, my other $25 beauty subscriptions are 5. And then Oxy Charm Premium is $35 for 6. So yeah, this is a good deal. First thing I'm pulling out is a palette by the Beauty Grub. It's called Sun Gazing Palette. We usually always get a palette of some sort. Either face palette or eyeshadow palette. So that's nice. I love palettes. I'm a palette junkie. And nicely packaged. And see here. Eyeshadow palette, yep. Ooh, isn't that pretty? Pretty. This is okay. It's taped up pretty good. There we go. I got it now. Ooh, looks like we got some glitters. It looks like a warm palette. Some gold there and some reds, peaches, a little bit of silver. Looks like a burgundy, purple. It's pretty. Very pretty. Let's see, where are you? Sun Glazing Eyeshadow Palette is $24.50. It's retail value. It's inspired by shades of the sun, or Sun Gazing Eyeshadow Palette features. Start over. It's inspired by shades of the sun. Our Sun Gazing Eyeshadow Palette features 12 buttery and highly pigmented shades and 3 different finishes: velvety matte, creamy metallic, and long wearing glitter. Certified cruelty free and vegan. Alright. Yeah, oh, that's cool. It's like a little beauty sponge, makeup sponge. This is by Base Blue. Air Sponge Full Coverage. It retails for $8. Flawlessly buff and blend out heavy duty makeup formulas like foundations and concealers. Okay. Ooh, it's a cool shape. Kind of point one end and round at the other. It's firm. I have to wet it, see if it gets softer, but I'm sure it's nice. Well, I'm not sure, but I assume it's nice. I don't know. We'll see. I will give it a try anyway. And that, like I said, is $8. Next thing I'm pulling out by Fig and Yarrow, and now we've had that brand before, is Eye Bright Coffee Bean Eye Cream. Well, it's an eye cream. I have a lot of eye cream opened right now, so I'm going to just save that back. But let's see what it says about it. Vegan Yarrow Eye Bright Coffee Bean Eye Cream. $36. Ultralight Organic Hydrating Cream formulated to renew, protect, and hydrate the delicate eye area. It's a potent antioxidant with cell nourishing botanicals. Aids in the minimalization of superficial lines. Fine lines. Superficial fine lines. And it's TSA friendly. I'm going to go ahead and open this. I'm curious if it has a smell. No, it just smells organic a little bit. Okay. Coffee bean products I find help reduce puffiness. I've used them before in the past, not this brand, but other brands. Hazel May still here. Are you still here? And Slice Beauty. It's a Moonshine Superfruit facial oil. It's for all skin types. I do like facial oils a lot. It's a nice size. Let's see. Ooh, squish right out there. Just a clear liquid, obviously. See if it's greasy. Oh, feels nice. Now it does have a scent, but it smells good. What does it smell like? Kind of fruity. Fruity. It feels nice and soft. It's silky. It doesn't feel greasy, which is good because I don't like greasy stuff on my face or my body. I could just go ahead and sink in, which it does pretty well on me because I'm so darn dry. So, and this is valued at $25. It's organic 18 bottle oil blend that is totally pure, which is the way your skin would have it. It's curated with nature's fruit basket with avocados, apples, watermelons, and everything in between to create a superfruit antioxidant potion that boosts radiance and balances complexion. Wow, that's what I smell. The fruits. It smells yummy. Oh, here we got a couple more things here. This is, what are you? Let me read the card because it's a little box here. It's by Have it? Yeah, have it. It's the Ultimate Multi-Use Cream, $28. Multi-use cream. Got it open. The Ultimate and Pretty Baby Multi-Use Cream Color. It's a little jar. I have no idea what I would use this for. A multi-use cream. Let me read about it and maybe it'll help me out. See what it's valued at. $28. I might have said that already. I don't know. A cream-based color pot made for use on lips, okay, cheeks, and eyes, with a buildable coverage from a tint to a bold color. The Ultimate is blush, lip tint, lipstick, eyeshadow, all-in-one. Easy product. You just said that. Certified vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and packed with a protective antioxidants and skincare grade ingredients. Okay, so it's a multi-use cream, like it says. Ooh, it's creamy. Real creamy. And that's the color. See, it says it's buildable, so let's see. Oh. Well, that's nice. I will definitely use this on my cheeks, lips, and eyes. Definitely will try that. It's nice. Throw in my bag. Not that I go anywhere. Alright. One more thing. It's a solid block. A solid block. And where are you? There's a solid block. We Are Wild solid block mineral sunscreen, $26. Oh, it's a sunscreen. How cool is that? Wow. It's a little lid. It's a sunscreen. Okay. Kind of looks like a roll of deodorant. Isn't that cool? The solid stick glides on smooth and feels invisible. It feels invisible? Okay. I think it would look invisible. Okay. Appropriate for oily, dry, normal, or combination skin types. Formulated with non-nano minerals. In the softest broad spectrum, UVA, UVB protection, SPF 35++. Don't call it sunblock. It's a solid block. Vegan, non-toxic, cruelty-free, TSA friendly. Retails for $26. That's not bad. Because it looks like you get quite a bit. Okay, let's see if I can turn it down. Because sometimes I do that and you can't go down. Yep. Let's see here. Okay. Yeah, that'll last me a while. I've never had anything like this. Alright. Well, that is what I got in the box by Fashionsta. It's a very nice beauty subscription. I really, really, really enjoy it. I've got the block, sunblock, the face oil, where are you? The multi-purpose cream, the eye cream, and the eyeshadow palette. There you go. The retail value of this whole entire box is $147.50. So for $25, that is a good value. Very good value. Alright, that is my box from Fashionsta. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. I really make my day. Go ahead and hit that notification bell so when I do upload a video, you perhaps will see it again. See another one. I mean, you know, that would be nice. Also comment. Love to hear from you guys. It makes my day. It really does. I love to hear from you. Just give me a hey. Alright everyone, I'm going to go ahead and sign off here. I will see you soon. I do have a couple other boxes coming in here in a week that's due in. So hopefully I won't be so darn late this month. We will bid you a farewell. And see you. I'll see you real soon. Bye.
You guys want to get down now? Someone we can do this. It's hot. You guys are warm. I have the fan on low because it's noisy. But I have to have it on. What you doing? Huh? I know. I don't want to. Okay, you can hang out here, but if it gets hot, you can get down. Okay, let's try to do this with 2 dogs on my laps. 2 dogs on my lap. And I don't have 1 lap. I said laps. Lap, Janice. You have 1 lap, not 2.